wait, why does this wig really eat? And look at the color on me. And fall is around the corner. Friend, you definitely need this from Amazon. So I'm just gonna sit here and I'm just about to tell you the deets of this. So this is a Unice wig. Unice did sponsor this tutorial or video. And this is their 7x5 curly closure wig, and it comes everything pre-colored, pre-cut, pre-bleach, pre-plucked, and this is their lightweight cap. Okay, so I'm just going through this wig and combing it out because I am going to go in and define the curls, but I am also combing out the excessive hair that is shedding. If there was any shedding, I didn't get a whole lot of shedding from this, and I didn't go in and pluck this even more because you guys know I love to pluck my wigs a little more, but I didn't do this, and I didn't do baby hairs, and I'm so proud of myself. Okay, but anyway, I am gonna go in with Ruby Kisses in the shade 16 and put that all over my lace to just make it blend in with my skin tone, and to apply the wig, which you don't need to do because this wig is definitely glueless. It comes with an elastic band, combs, and drawstrings, but I'm gonna use my red, is it Ruby Kisses or Red by Kiss? Whatever. I'm gonna have all the information down below in the description box for y'all, and I'm gonna use that. It's a glueless adhesive spray. Okay, so this is what I normally use, especially when I'm switching off wigs or if I'm just going somewhere real quick and I need to just secure my wig down. And so I like to put that on, blow dry it till it gets tacky, and lay the lace down and blow dry it till it's fully dried. Okay, and from that point I'm gonna take my hot comb and just press back my hairline just so it could be neat in the top of my hair, because you know I love a flat wig. I don't do that puffy stuff at the top. That's not for me, not for Cynthia. So once that is done, because she looks cute already, it's already tea, I'm going to go ahead and take my melting band, and I'm going to put that on, and I'm going to take some Got To Be Free spray that on my finger. I no longer sprayed on my actual wig because I just don't like the residue Got To Be or anything leaves on the hair. I just don't like that. So I put it on my finger and I press it in onto the edges, and then I'll let it melt for about 20 minutes or however long I have left. Okay, so to define these curls, we're going to take Cantu Wave Whip Mousse. This is my favorite mousse to use, friend. Like I cannot stress this enough, especially when it comes to curly hair. Normally I will wet the hair down, but I didn't want really wet hair, so all I did was take the mousse, apply an extremely generous amount onto the hair, and massaged it and finger combed it in until I got it to the density how I wanted to look, which is like low-key a wet look or whatever like that. And if you want to keep it wet, you know, you use your mousse, you use a little water and spray a little bit of your holding spray, and I guarantee you your hair will look wet the entire day. So I'm just combing the product in and making sure that my ends are nice and juicy, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of that Got To Be and put it at the top just to make sure that if there is any flyaways that they are down. Okay, and this is what she looks like straight from the melt. Okay, she look cute. Oh, okay. I think I need this in a straight texture. Like I said, I need Unice or Amazon companies to make longer wigs, okay? Because this is super, super cute. If you guys enjoyed this video and are interested in this wig, I will have all the information linked down below in the description box for you. And until next time, bye, best friends.